How to solve Facebook video has no sounds. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Facebook video sound not working. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open Facebook app, sign into your account. Tap menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, select setting and privacy. Now tap on settings option. Scroll further and then under preferences tap on media option. Locate sound option and make sure that you have enabled in-app sound and video starts with sound. And check whether your sound issue has been resolved or not. If not, make sure your volume is up and your device is not on mute. You can test sound on other apps to confirm it's only Facebook. Once you have done that, you can easily update or clear cache. Long press on Facebook, select app info, and here tap on storage users and tap on clear cache. Once done, you can easily look for the updates on Play Store or App Store. Open Play Store and App Store and search for Facebook. If there is update button, select update and update to the latest version. By following all this step, your Facebook video no sound issue will be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.